Have you ever typed something into your address bar of Google Chrome browser and then you hit enter? And now suddenly you realize that this is not Google search engine. Sometimes it's annoying, right? And maybe you have installed a new program or a browser update that, has changed things around on you. So there is nothing to worry. Your computer is not broken. You just need to update the settings of your browser. And today I'm gonna show you the quick steps to make Google your default search engine again on Google Chrome browser. And let me show you. First, we search here something like make money online, for instance. And here you can see now it's showing search.yahoo.com. So my query, the keyword that I searched, so it's showing now, see, the Yahoo. So if we want to change it, so we can click on these three dots, the customization options, and here you can click on settings. And here you can see search engine. So search engine, now here it is Yahoo. So you can change it to Google and then click on set as default. Now if you search anything here like make money online, so it will search now in Google. You can see google.com is opened. So this is the simple method that I explained you, to switch, to change your default search engine in Google Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching the video. And please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.